First type of valve, which is gate valve. The industrial application of gate valve is very wide. You can see the sketch of this gate valve. In this gate valve, it is generally used for on-off control. It is not used for controlling the flow. Not used for controlling the flow, that means we cannot increase or decrease the flow rate with the use of gate valve. But we can stop the flow rate or we can continue the flow rate with the same flow. So, gate valve is mainly used in those applications in which we have to stop or continue the flow. It is not recommended for controlling the flow rate. That means it is usually left fully open or fully closed. You can see in the figure the main body which contains the stem. In this, you can see the upper portion, which is dotted part, it is fully open position. And when it is in the bottom position, which you can see in the figure with the full line, that is fully closed position. So when the flow is in this direction, when steam is in the lower position, then it is fully closed condition, and when steam it is in upper condition, then it is fully open position. You can see fully open position in the figure. In gate valve, the diameter of the opening through which the fluid passes is nearly the same as that of the pipe. That means the pipe diameter which is connected to the pipeline, which is connected to the valve, that opening through which the fluid passes is nearly same as that of the pipe, and the direction of the flow does not change. In the case of gate valve, the direction of the flow does not change. Generally, gate valve is used for high flow rate. As I have told you that it is used for fully open or fully closed condition. It is not used for controlling the flow, and it is used for very high flow rate. So, the application of the gate valve is there when the high flow rate is used. So, this is the gate valve. Next type of the valve is the globe valve. You can see in the figure, it is somewhat similar to gate valve, but in this you can see the stem position. This globe valve is widely used for controlling the flow rate, opposite to the gate valve. Gate valve is not used for controlling the flow, it is used for stop the flow rate. While the globe valve is widely used for controlling the flow rate of the fluid. In this, the opening increases linearly with stem position. Stem is that, you can see it is denoted as valve plug in the figure. That valve plug, according to the flow rate, the position of the valve plug is changing up and down. When it is in upward direction, fully in upward direction, then it is fully open position. And when it is totally in the bottom portion, then it is fully closed condition. But according to the pressure of the flow rate, pressure of the fluid, the position of the valve plug is changing. And so that the flow rate is changing according to the valve position. And that's why it is used for controlling the flow rate of the fluid. So the opening increases linearly with the stem position. As stem position is in the upper direction, then the opening is increasing for the flow. So the opening increases linearly with the stem position and the fluid passes through the restricted opening and changing the direction several times. As this can be visualizing the flow through the valve. You can see in the figure, as the valve plug position is changing, the flow rate is changing. Right? And the direction of the flow is also changing, which is not possible in case of gate valve. And in industrial application, most automatic control valves are similar to globe valves. Because in many of the industrial applications, we need to control the flow. So at that time, we will go for globe valve in majority cases as compared to the gate valve. So industrial application of the globe valve is very wide. Now let us see what is the basic difference between these two types of the valves, which is gate valve and globe valve. So let us see the difference between the gate valve and globe valve. In case of gate valve, it is used for on-off control. As we have seen, gate valve is used for on-off control while globe valve is used to control the flow rate. This is the main difference between the gate valve and globe valve. Next point of difference is the gate valve have small pressure drop across the valve, while globe valve have higher pressure drop across the valve. Because in case of gate valve, we are using it for the on-off control only, while in globe valve we are using it for controlling the flow rate. So, gate valve offers small pressure drop across the valve, while globe valve offers the higher pressure drop across the valve. Next is, gate valve is cheaper than the globe valve, while globe valve is costly than the gate valve due to the construction mechanism. Gate valve is cheaper and globe valve is costlier. Next point of difference is, this gate valve have very little fluid trapping in the line. Obviously because it is used only for on-off control. Either it continues the flow rate or it stops the flow rate. So there are very less chances of the trapping of the fluid in the line. While in the globe valve, it have large fluid trapping in the line because it is used for controlling the flow rate. So if in some cases the flow rate is low, in some cases the flow rate is high. So due to this, it provides the large fluid trapping in the line. Gate valve is used for high flow rate and globe valve is used for low flow rate. So these are the different points of difference between the gate valve and globe valve. Different types of valves have different application in chemical industry. Now let us take another type of the valve, which is plug valve. See the figure. In this plug valve, you can see there is a valve plug. The middle portion of the valve plug is hollow. You can see in the figure, and it is in this position. Like it is in this position, in the middle there is a hollow part. And this position, which you can see in the figure, is closed valve position. In this, the valve is in closed position. This plug valve is again used for on-off service. It is not used for controlling the flow rate. But these plug valves are used for on-off service and they operate through 90 degree. As you can see in the figure, the valve plug position is like this and it is in closed condition. When the flow is in this direction, flow is coming in this direction, the valve plug position is shifts from this to this. So you can imagine that the hollow portion you can see in this figure. Now when the flow is there, the position of the valve plug is like this. So fluid can easily flow from that hollow part. Fine. So by this way the plug flow is used only for the on-off control. It is not used for controlling the flow rate. And it is operated through 90 degree position. Fine. And the remaining conditions are same. And these plug valves are used in throttling services. It is used in throttling applications. Plug valves is used. Fine. So it is operated through 90 degree. That means the position is like this when it is in working condition or the flow is on, and the position is like this when the flow is off. And it is not used in any application where we have to control the flow rate. It is used only for the on-off control, or it is used only in fully open or fully closed condition. So these are the main three types of the valves: gate valves, globe valves and plug valves. And we have seen the difference between the gate valve and globe valve. Thank you very much.